Hey y'all, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back with another good video. On today's video I'm going to unbox this Smartlife Blender. Okay, right in here, let's see what we have. We got a manual. I'm just gonna put it aside. Two buffles, the blades, and our blender. This is one of the bottles. This is what I've been using, but I needed something more smaller, more portable for small quantity things. So I went for this. Got it at an affordable price at Leaks. So we're going to use it for the first time to make my morning smoothie. So let's go ahead and plug it in. We're going to use one of this one. La, 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 la. So I'm going to make a strawberry and banana smoothie for today. So I have my banana right here. Let me go ahead. Peel it. I chop it in. Yeah. When done with it, let me go wash it. After we've washed it, we will go ahead and chop it up. I'm going to use half a cup of this blender. And spill it. Go take a blade. Cover in here. Okay. Done is our smoothie. It's ready. Just want to take it off. I could either use this, it's handy, fitting in the bag, or use this. This is awesome. I'm loving it. Like, it's good.